In 1838, a French chemist left a beaker in the sun and accidentally created a new polymer. Today, this and other chemical building blocks have transformed our modern world.
They help make our homes more comfortable.
They give us the clothes we wear.
And the gadgets we enjoy.
Products like refrigerators and packaging that help keep food fresh for longer.
Even the bubbles that do the dishes.
And it's not just in our homes.
Products made with chemicals can care for us.
They help us see better.
And hear better.
Improving hygiene in all kinds of ways.
With their help, we can make amazing machines.
These building blocks don't just care for us, they keep us connected too.
Bringing us closer together.
Not just virtually, but physically as well. Helping society be more mobile.
With lighter materials that save energy and reduce CO2 emissions.
Inside our homes, too.
They even give us the key components that make renewable energy possible.
All these products made from chemicals, now manufactured more sustainably, help make our modern world better.